Welcome to Simplified Maths class. My name is Mr. Mike, and we're going straight to topic logarithm part 2. So in this logarithm part 2, we'll be solving problems that you'll be asked to find logarithm with the slide rule, without tables, without calculators, as the case may be. So instead of you referring to the scientific table or maybe to the logarithmic table to find the values of you'll be given, and so you have to solve a lot of problems without referring to your scientific calculators or your logarithm and so on. Alright, so we'll go straight to the point. Here we have given that this is given that log 2 to base 10 is 0.3010, and then log 3 to base 10 is 0.4771, and log 5 to base 10 is 0.6990. Okay, so given that log 2 to base 10 is this, log 3 to base 10 is that, and log 5 to base 10 is that, we should find the values of the following. So we'll go straight to the point here. Solution number 1 of I. So we have number 1 of I. So you should find the log 30 to base 10. So all you need to do is to find the LCM of 30. That's the easiest way to do. So we'll find the LCM of 30. 2 to 30 is 15. Alright, 3 into 15 is 5. And 5 into 4 is 1. It therefore means that log 30 to base 10 is the same as log 2 times 3 times 5, which is the LCM of 30. 2 times 3, 6, 6 times 5, 30. That's what we have. So at this point, we are going to apply the first law to expand it. So to be anything as log 10 to log 2 to base 10 plus log 3 to base 10 plus log 5 to base 10. Right? So we take out this is that we have log 2 to base 10, log 3 to base 10, and log 5 to base 10. So that's what it means. Therefore, it means that log 3 to base 10 will be the same thing as log 2 to base 10, which was given at 0.3010, plus log 3 to base 10, which is given as 0.4771, and log 5 to base 10, which was also given as 0.990. So at this point, with sum of 3, I will have an answer. 0.3010 plus 0.771 plus 0.690. We have 1.4771. Alright, it therefore means that log 30 to the base of 10 gives us that, as simple as that. So when once given the base, you can be able to solve any one without referring to scientific calculator or to the 4-figure table, the logarithmic table, and so on. Alright, so we have the second one. We have to find 1200 log 1200 to base 10. So the first thing we have to do is to find the LCM of 1200. So let's see, 1200, but 2 goes to 1200, 2 times 12, that's 600. Right, goes into 600, that will be 300. 2 can go 2 into 300, have 150 into 50, 75, can go 75, yes, that's 75, 3 goes into 75, that's 25, 4 into 25, 5, and 5 into 5, 1. Therefore, means the log of 1 to the 10 will be the log of, so just here, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and then 3, then 5, and then 5. Okay, so 2 times 2, 2, 3 times 5 times 5 is the LCM of 1200. Give us what we have. 1200 is it. At this point, we need to have this 1 to be equals to the base So 2, 2, 2 is 2 raised to the power of 4. 4 places. Alright? Time is just 1 time, and 5, 5, 5 raised to the power of 2 places. So at this point we are going to expand. This will be log 10 to the base of. Right, so we have log 2 to the base 10. Remember the raised to the power 4 plus log 10 plus log 5 raised to the power of 2. So our first of 4 by extending log of this times means plus log 10 times plus log 10 of 5. The first we apply. Also apply the top log by making power come in front. So this will be 4, right? The power comes in front, that's the log. Plus 3 plus, alright, so we also apply 2, the power comes in 2, so that's half. So by the third law, whatever is the power moves forward. So at that point we can resolve it very simple. So we have 4 into log 2 to base 10 was given as 0.3010 plus log 3 to base 10 was given 0.4771, and then 2 into log 5 to base 10 was given 0.6990. So that's that. So at this point we multiply 4 times 0.3010. You have 1.204, 1.204 plus, so 0.4771 plus 2 times this, 0.6990 times 2, 1.398. So at this point you can add the 3, 1.398 plus 0.4771 plus 1.204, and that will give us 3.0791. So this is the same thing as log 1200 to the power of 10. And if you have a scientific calculator, you can actually verify this. The result you have will be very close to this. Alright, and if you have a scientific calculator to verify log 30, it will be very close to this without using the scientific calculator. Alright, so that's just it. So this is how you prepare this log to find the solution to this log, give some basics, the logs that have been given as the basics. So without waste of time, we are going to go to the last one, that's the distance point. Alright, so in the last one, number 3, we were asked to find the log of 25.92. The log of 25.92. So 25.92 will be the same thing as 25.92 means 2592. 2592 all over 100. Alright, so if you divide 2592 by 100, you're going to have 25.92. So we're going to look for the LCM of 2592. 2592. 2 into 2592. 259 divided by 2. So we have 1296. 1296. Alright, so we divide that by 2 again. 648. So we divide that by 2 again. 324. So we divide that by 2 again. 162. So we divide that by 2 again. We have 81. This is 3 into 1. That goes and not go. So you have 27. 3 into 27, you have 9. And then 3 into 9, you have 3. And 3 into 2, you have 1. So it means that here we are going to have 252 being 2 times 2 times 2, alright, times 2 times 2. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Alright. So all over 100 of course will be 2 times 2 times 5 times 5, that's 100. 2 times 4, 4 times 5, 20. 20 times 500. So if you find the LCM of 100, you actually have 255. So at this time, two of these two will cross these two up there, and then no other one. So we're going to have that to be the log of 2, 2, 2, 3 is left, 2 raised to power 3 times 3, 3, 3, 3 raised to power 4 all over 5, 5, 5 raised to power 2. So that will still be the value of 25.92. Okay, we can check that 2 raised to 3 is 8 times 3 raised to the power of 4 is 81 all over 5 raised to the power of 2 is 25. So if you take 8 multiply by 81, then divide by 25, you still have 25.92, what was given originally. So it means that what we still have this is equivalent to this. There's no problem with it. Right, so simply we can now go ahead with what we have done. So our log to the base of 10 of 25.92 will be equal to log base of 10 of 2 raised to the power 3 plus, we are applying the first log, log to the base of 10 of 3 raised to the power 4, divide means minus log of 5 raised to the power 2. Alright, so apply the first and the second law. So this of this means plus log of this. Alright, divide means minus log of this. And remember, they are all in base 10. So it means the log to the base of 10 of 25.9 will be equals to 3 will come forward. So that 3 log to the base of 2, 3 log 4 will go forward plus 4 log of to base 10. So the 4 here come forward, that's the top log, and then minus 2 come forward. Alright, so we are now going to say into log 10 2 is 0.10 plus 4 into log 3 is given 0.4671, and then log 10 is given 0.6990. So at this point we multiply. So this will give us 0.9030 plus times this 0.4771 times 4. So we have 1.9084. Alright, so we have to have this times this 0.6990 times 2, 1.398. Okay, so at this point we'll add to this and subtract this. So we have 0.9030 plus 1.9084 minus 1.3980. So that gives 1.4134. 1.4134. It therefore means that the value of log 25.92 to the base of 10 was this. As simple as that. So with that. Now the big part, which I'll show you the way, is the same way we are applying it, but I'm going to show you what to do. Maybe just solve and then you try the last one by yourself. Alright, so the two parts, the II part of it, number 2, we've been given log 2 to be this to the base of A, to the base of A log 3, and to the base of A log 5 and log 7, and you're asked to find all this. So it's the same thing you still do, but this time the base is A. Alright? So say for instance, I part, so we have log 21168 to the base of A. We need to first find 21168. The LCM is the usual way. So 21168 divided by 2. Alright, so 21168 divided by 2. We'll have 10584 divided by 2. 5292. So we divide by 2. 2646. Wow. Divide by 2. 1213 2, 3. At this point, 3, 2, 3. 2 can't go. So let's try 3. Divide by 3. 4, 4, 1. Let's try 3 again. Divide by 3. 147. Let's try 3 again. Divide by 3. 49. 3 cannot go any longer. So we'll try 7. 7 and then 7, 1. So it means that this will be the log to base A of 2. 2 into this will give us this. 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 3 into this will give us this. 3 into this will give us this. 3 into this will give us 49. 7 into 49 will give us 7. 7 into 7 will give us 1. So the LCM will be 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 2 into 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 into 3 times 7, 7. 7 into 2. Alright. It means that 2 raised to the power of 4, which is 16, times 3 raised to the power of 3, which is 27, times 7 raised to the power of 2, which is 49. Give us 21168. Very simple. So we can now expand. So this is going to be 4 forward 4 log 2 of A plus 3 comes forward 3 log 3 A, and then plus 2 comes forward 2 log 7 of A. Alright, so we'll bring out log to base A of 2 raised to the power 4, log to base A of 3 raised to the power 3, log to base A of 7 raised to the power 2. Remember, the powers comes forward, the 3 comes forward, this 4 comes forward. Alright, so we've been able to have 4 to log 2 to the base of A was given. Log 2 to the base of A, 0.873, plus we have 3 into log 3 to the base of A, 754, 0.754, and then 2 into 7 to the base of A, 7 was given 0.998. This is easy, 4 times that, so 4 times 0.73. That gives us 2.692, 2.692, plus 3 times this, 0.754 times 3, 262, 2.262, and 2 times this, 0.998 times 2, 996, 1.996. Alright, so at this point we'll add 1.996 plus 2.262 plus 2.692. So we'll have 6.95. 6 point. Alright, 6. We now have log 21168 to the base of A to be equals to this. So in the same way we are applying all we still do. So I want you to try this. Of course, log to the base of A of 0.392 will be equivalent to, please note, 0.392 will be the same thing as 392 all over 1000. Right? So don't forget that. So because we have 1, 2, 3, so the 3 zeros. So at this point, this is what you're going to use to solve this. It's the same thing. But for this, you're going to have 27, which is 333. 3 times 3 times 3 all over A. I think it's very important I have to solve this. Try this at home, but I want to solve this because of the A that is included. Okay, so let's take that one as the last. We're taking that as the last. So we have I of 2 log 27 all over A3 to the base of A. So this is the same thing as log to the base of A. 27 is 3 raised to the power 3. 3 times 3 times 3 all over A is A raised to the power of 3. A times A times A is A raised to the power of 3. Alright, so we expand this. This is going to be log 3 raised to the power 3 to base A. Divide means minus log A raised to the power of 3. What it means. Right? So divide means minus A raised to the power 3. 3 raised to power 3. So that 3 can come forward. That will be 3 log A of 3 minus 3 comes forward 3 log A of A. We are still dealing with the base of A. So this will be 3 into log 3 to base A giving 3 to base A 754. 0.754 minus 3 into log A is 1. Remember, both law that tells us that log A is 1. So log A to base A is 1. Take note of that. So 3 times this. We're going to have 3 times 0.754. So this will give us 2.262 minus 3 times 1 is 10. But please take note, if you use your calculator to subtract this, you'll be wrong. Why? Because the left hand side is smaller than the right hand side. So by the only way to solve this is without the use of calculator. So we have 2.262 minus 3.000. So use your hand to do that subtraction. Otherwise, you'll be wrong. Alright, so 2 minus 0 is 2. 6 minus 0 is 6. 2 minus 0 is 2. And then 2 minus 3 is bar 1. 2 minus 3 is minus 1, if you call bar 1. Therefore, it means that log to the base of A, 27 all over A cubed, will be the same thing as bar 1.262. Alright, so that's how we solve that. So this subtraction is what you have here. Take note of that. Anytime the left hand side is smaller than the right hand side, you're subtracting. If you use your calculator, you'll be misled. Rather, do it directly with your hand so that you can be able to get the correct answer. Thank you very much for attending the class. If you enjoyed the class, please click on like. If you have any question, comment. We'll give you the answer to the question. And please don't forget to subscribe to our videos to watch more exciting videos on simplified maths. God bless you and see you in the next slide.